The newly developed pure power and performance magnetic core drilling machine in an economical range from BDS Maschinen. Introducing the MABasic 400 magnetic core drilling machine from the economical Profi Basic category. High performance, low price. Now with new attached cooling tank. 2-speed gear setting, one for annular cutter and the other for twist drills. Up to 35mm diameter core drilling and up to 55mm cutting depth capacity. The BDS mobile clamp, clamping device drilling on small jobs, is made easy and quick. With its 760 RPM gear setting, the MABasic 400 is an ideal machine for twist drilling. MABasic 400 can drill up to 16mm diameter with conventional twist drill bits. Simply better drilling. Equipped with powerful 1050 watt motor. Permanent internal lubrication. 19mm weld-on direct arbor. Safe arrangement of switches. Robust dovetail slide system. All-new integrated cooling tank. Equipped with robust gearbox. And a powerful electromagnet. MABasic 400, the powerful and premium quality economical magnetic drilling machine. Made in Germany by BDS Maschinen.